Welcome to YOUCANIC. In this video I'm going to show you how to check transmission fluid temperature. So in order to measure transmission fluid level, usually you need to know what the temperature is and be at a specific temperature. So you might have to drive the car for a few minutes to warm it up and bring it to the temperature you need. So this is how you do it. You take the YOUCANIC scanner, you plug it in under the OBD2 port under the dashboard, which we have already done, and then you can turn on the ignition and then go to control modules, go to drive, go to transmission control, scroll down to live data, scroll down to temperature sensors, and right there you have the transmission oil temperature. And what you can do is you can start the car, and as you drive, that temperature is going to change. It's going to increase, lower, and so on. So you can drive for a few minutes, bring the temperature to the level you need it, and then you can check the transmission fluid or do what you need to do. So that's how you do it. Using the YOUCANIC scanner. This is a very commonly asked question. So hopefully that helps. Thank you for watching YOUCANIC, where you can be the mechanic.